Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now today I'm going to do an insane market breakdown for Bitcoin. At the moment you can see Bitcoin is playing around the level of 19,764 dollars, but like we told you that Bitcoin is still crashing. If you have been following us on our videos or on our YouTube channel, which is the Crypto Dave's Coin YouTube channel, we told you Bitcoin is still in a bear market and it's still crashing, guys. So for those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and also like this video so many times. Appreciate it, guys. And also commenting down the description. If you haven't commented after watching this video, please comment down the description and tell us what have you learned, or which videos you'd like us to make about cryptocurrencies, or which coin you want us to make analysis for you. So just type in the comment below. We shall get time and walk through all your comments, guys. Now without wasting time, I've already opened up my chart for Bitcoin. I'm already sitting analyzing the Bitcoin chart. Now at the moment you can see the Bitcoin is playing around the level of $19,779. Now we told you in our previous video, at the moment I'm focusing in my daily time frame, which is our highly time frame. I'm going to be breaking down the market till I reach the lower time frame. Now if I try to first delete this, because it's going to confuse you guys. Now at the moment I can see we have a big bearish flag, and we also have a small bearish flag inside this big bearish flag. So we had a big spike to the downside, approached our support trend line. We had a little bit consolidation. When you go to the lower time frame, it was a flag also pushing or giving us a confirmation of pushing the price all the way to the downside. Now we can see whenever we have an impulse correction, we also have another impulse move. Now we can see the market is making another correction, so that means we're expecting Bitcoin to make another impulse move. I don't know whether you have understood that thing. We had an impulse move. After the impulse move, I can see we had a correction. After correction, I can clearly see that we have another impulse move. After the correction, you can see we have another impulse move. Now, where is Bitcoin heading exactly? If I try to scroll to my lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, try to zoom out, and we try connecting our support and resistance levels. Our support and resistance levels. So I can clearly see that we also have another bearish flag, which might push Bitcoin back to the downside. So remember, before we had this big spike to the downside, we also had a continuation pattern. I don't know whether we are together. So this continuation pattern pushed the price all the way from here. If we try to minimize this up to here, I want our charts to look nice, and I show you properly this pattern. So we had an impulse correction, impulse move. Now we're experiencing another a correction, so which means when we break this support level of ours, we might see Bitcoin dropping all the way to the level of 17,000, where we're expecting it to get some little bit buying pressure or momentum. So we had this first breakout. This was its TP. This was our stop loss. So after we can clearly see that we have another bearish flag. So this will be our entry to short this Bitcoin. That will be our entry, and this would be, so this is your take profit number one on this support level. I think you can see it, and this is our take profit number two. So if you're there and you're focusing on Bitcoin, I think at the moment, according to our analysis, we're just waiting for a little bit breakout here, then we get our sell positions pushing the price to this level of 18 18,751. This is our first take profit, and this will be our second take profit on 17,500. Now I think for Bitcoin we are still experiencing a little bit consolidation, but all in all, we are going to be seeing prices of Bitcoin continuing dropping to the downside. So that's what we had for you guys. I think we have liked this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. For the broker, we recommend you to open up an account with Binance. All the links are down in the description, and start trading now. You may trade on Binance, and you can also invest in several cryptocurrencies, over 600 cryptocurrencies on Binance. So hit the link in the description, sign up with Binance, follow us on our social media handles, plus joining our free Telegram channel where we communicate with our fellow traders. So do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We thank you guys because we have already hit our 20 subscribers on our channel, because this channel is new and we created it mostly for the beginners. So now let's push it to 50 subscribers.